Apple's stock price is down 30% in the past year. Revenues are now projected to go down for the first time in well over a decade. Is this company going to recover, or are they on a slow trajectory downward? Let's talk about this. Hey guys, it's Jeremy from the Financial Education Channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about an issue that affects many of us, and it is Apple's stock price. Now you might think, how does that affect me? I don't own Apple shares straight up. Well, if you have a 401k, an IRA, a mutual fund, any of those types of things, more than likely they are invested somewhat in Apple. Apple's the biggest company in the world, so you are affected by it. And if you somehow don't have a 401k, you don't have any stock in Apple, you probably have an Apple product. So the chances are you are somehow related to Apple. So let's talk about where their business is at, and let's talk about how it's decreasing now. Now, first off, you must understand with Apple, the majority of their revenue comes from iPhones. Well over 60% of the total company's revenue comes from iPhones. iPhones are now going down. They've peaked and they're now projected to decrease and decrease and decrease. Now, the question is, can they recover when iPhone 7 comes out? Who knows, but right now it doesn't look good because iPhone units have never decreased, and now they're projected to continue to decrease. So that could be a few things. That could be, the upgrades aren't as important now because the upgrade cycle, people are waiting longer because the phones aren't as good coming out now. They're just very small improvements, so people aren't all jacked up like they were back when iPhone 4 came out and iPhone 5 came out, and then when the first iPhone 6 came out, which was a bigger model, people were all jacked up for that. Will they be all jacked up for iPhone 7? I don't know. They really need to be if Apple is going to get past this malaise and this iPhone decrease. Now, iPad shipments are down almost 25% year over year, almost every quarter. That is a horrible thing for Apple because iPad accounts for the second most money in their revenue. So you have decreasing iPhone units, you have decreasing iPad units. So that leaves, they do have some growing businesses. Now, they are services and they are headphones and things like that. Can those offset the decreases in the iPhone and iPad, or can iPhone and iPad pick up again and get back to growth? We shall see as time plays out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I appreciate it. Financial Education Channel, please subscribe if you haven't, and you guys have a great day.